quick reading for June the 13th to June the 14th, Pisces. Your cards are the Five of Strength, the Eight of Charisma, and the Chariot. Pwede nagkaroon kayo ng misunderstanding, hindi pagkakaunawaan with the Eight of Charisma. Pwedeng sabi dito ni person, let's work things out, ayusin na natin, hindi ko rin kaya na meron tayong separation or nag-aaway. I feel like inaayos na nito yung kanyang plano. It's either kung LDR kayo, uuwi ito with the Chariot, or magpapakita ito kung nandito lang siya. No? Pwede din naman kahit LDR, kaya nga siya uuwi. With the King of Charisma and the Ten of Charisma. There's something about travel in here. Baka rin, kung wala naman kayong away, ito yung tutuparin yung pangako niya mag-out of town kayo. Again, travel is in here. Pwedeng pagkagastosan niya kasi yung papunta niya sa'yo, or pwedeng bibigyan kanya ng pera para makita ka papunta sa kanya. Gagawa at gagawa ng paraan dito si person para maging maayos kayong dalawa. This is your quick reading for June the 13th to June the 14th.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me back.